On the hunt for a premium mechanical keyboard that offers a high degree of customization, incredible construction, and a stellar typing experience? Look no further than the Lemokey P1 Pro, which should be at the top of your list. Priced at $129, it delivers fantastic value for money, combining luxury and functionality in one sleek package. The CNC machined aluminum construction feels both classy and durable, making it a standout component on any desk. The keyboard is hot swappable, allowing you to easily replace the switches with your choice of 3-pin or 5-pin options. This means that whether you prefer the smoothness of Keychron Super Red, the tactile feedback of the brown switches, or the unique feel of banana tactile switches, the P1 Pro can cater to your preferences. The double-shot PBT keycaps add to the overall typing experience, providing a satisfying feel and sound that will make you look forward to your next typing session. Plus, the full RGB illumination allows for impressive customization, ensuring that your keyboard not only performs well, but looks great too. One of the best aspects of the P1 Pro is its user-friendly software. You won't need to install any bloatware on your machine. Instead, you can easily customize the keyboard using the web-based Lemokey launcher. However, it's important to note that the P1 Pro weighs in at 3.63 pounds, making it on the heftier side, and it's best suited for a stationary setup. If you're someone who frequently changes locations, this could be a drawback. Additionally, the keyboard lacks a dedicated switch for toggling between operating systems, which could be a minor inconvenience for some users. Despite these drawbacks, the Lemokey P1 Pro stands out as a solid choice for anyone seeking a durable, customizable, and aesthetically pleasing mechanical keyboard that enhances their work experience. With its premium construction and awesome typing experience, this keyboard is definitely worth considering for your next upgrade.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.